Category 6. Profit Testing and Experience. Fall 2024 Question 4 is a clean 2-year term with pre-contract expense, lapse, hurdle NPV, and uses of profit testing. Differences: single life term versus an annuity or joint probability layer. A cash flow vector to NPV or IRR versus gains by source that isolate interest, mortality, and expense. And introducing non-zero reserves midterm to fix negative cash flows, a commentary pattern seen in April 2026. Attack checklist. Build year K cash flow, premium minus expenses minus claims minus change in reserve, accumulate at earned I, form the signature as survival times emergent profit. NPV at the hurdle, margin equals NPV over EPV of premiums, IRR if asked. For gains by source, change one actual assumption at a time. If midterm profit is negative, consider non-zero reserves and recompute. Grounded variance. Solve premium for a target IRR or margin, an Excel term profit workbook as question 1, or LTC and immediate needs annuity profit. Drill the 4 prior profit questions in ladder order next. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.